Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain the UPKEEP app review to see if it worth using. So let's dive into it. It's talking about the UPKEEP. The UPKEEP is a maintenance management app designed to help teams track work orders, manage assets, and streamline facilities operation. It offers features like preventive maintenance scheduling, inventory tracking, real-time alert, and the ability to upload photos or scan QR code directly from mobile device. The app works on both iOS and Android and has a simple interface which makes it easy for technicians and managers to stay connected and productive while on the go. However, the UPKEEP has some downside. Some user reports limited customization in workflows and dashboards unless subscribed to higher price plan. There are also occasional issues with app performance, such as slow update or glitches when assigning work order. In my conclusion, the app still worth using if you need a straightforward mobile-first solution for managing maintenance tasks and keeping teams organized. But the app is not ideal if you expect a full customization, flawless performance, or advanced features without paying for a premium tier. And that's it. Hope you find the review helpful. If you did, turn on the revision button and subscribe for more reviews.